going to demonstrate how to make brownies. First, let's take a look at the recipe. To make these brownies, you will need sugar, flour, vinegar, cocoa powder, pan, milk, baking soda, butter, vanilla extract, salt, powdered sugar, eggs, and water. First, I'm going to start out by mixing together 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Make sure you get all 3 ingredients well mixed. Our next step is on the stove. Turn your stove top to about medium heat, and we're going to bring 2 sticks of butter, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a cup of water to a boil. Make sure your butter is completely melted. Then you can add your 1 cup of water, and then you can add your 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. After you have your cocoa powder in, make sure it's stirred well, and then you can wait for it to boil. Once it's boiling, take it off the stove and add it into the first mixture. Mix them well. Now that I have it well mixed, I'm going to move on to step 3. In a separate bowl, start by cracking 2 eggs. Now, add 1 teaspoon each of baking soda, and vanilla. Before you can add your ½ cup of milk, you need to add a ½ teaspoon of vinegar to make it into sour milk. And then you can add it in. Now beat your third mixture all together. Once you have your third mixture all beaten together, add it in to your first mixture, and then mix together. Next, spray your 13x9 cooking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Now add your well-mixed mixture into the pan. Make sure to get it all in. Now, you're going to put your pan into the oven, which is heated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and set the timer for 15 minutes. Once the brownies are done, take them out of the oven and let cool while you make the frosting. To start off the frosting, turn your stovetop back to medium and then add your half a stick of butter. Once your butter is melted, add 4 tablespoons of milk. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then, mix it all together and let it boil for a short time. After you let it boil for about 30 seconds, take it off the stove and start adding powdered sugar until you get it to the right consistency. So you're just going to keep adding in little bits and stirring them in until it gets to the right consistency. Once you have it to a good frosting consistency, add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Last but not least, pour your frosting onto the brownies and spread. Once you have the frosting all spread out, voila, you're done. Enjoy your brownies, and thanks for listening.